Alright, this is a Capri model PC-14 box fan. This is another one that I brought to my mom's house that my grandpa was getting rid of. Made a video of this several months ago, probably I think in the springtime. It was a reshoot, but I'm making a better reshoot now since I've cleaned it up and whatnot. So, yeah, here it is. What I did is I put a wire brush on the grills here, kind of to shine them up a little bit to get some rust and gunk off. And that worked pretty well. Still a little bit of rust, but not as bad as it was before. And I also polished up the blades, so they're pretty shiny now. I'll probably redo that in the future though. Very nice fan. It's got a good bit of rust in the bottom and around. It's got the Venturi ring. And yeah, neat little fan. I believe it used to be on a stand because there is some markings on the stand holes right there. You can see it well in this one. Not sure what year it is, but I'm pretty sure it's from the 60s or 50s. Let's got the switches here. It's a 2-speed fan. This is low, and this is high, and this is off. That sticker right there. Original handle. Good condition. Spin it around the back. Here's the back of it. You can see some rust. A lot of rust in the bottom. Here's a sticker right here, PC-14. It's made by Frigid Incorporated. UL listed. And I believe this is a GE motor. And there's some information on the back of it. It's upside down. There's one of the oil ports, and there's the front oil port right there. Gave it some oil, and seems to work. And run a lot better now. So you see the oil sticker right there. Yeah, awesome fan. Spin it back around. This thing has an epic startup sound. So, go ahead and start it off on high speed. This thing moves a ton of air, even more than those two, for just being a 14-inch fan. Those are both 20-inch. But yet again, they're plastic bladed, so metal blade box fans are superior in almost every way. It moves a ton of air. Go to low. More of a medium than anything. I was hoping it would have a bigger difference in speeds, but oh well. Works good. Here's from the back. Running. Back to high. And off. Yeah. Go ahead and do a startup sound. Sounds the best on low speed. Listen to this. Awesome. So yeah, there's my 14-inch frigid PC-14 box fan. Capri. Thanks for watching.